Okay, volcanoes, check in. Tell me what you are up to today. Pfft, nothing. Thank goodness. Achoo. I mean, kaboom. Kaboom indeed. Yes, Dempo, that was a nice summit for yet a magmatic explosion. What was that, your largest eruption in a decade? 2 decades, in fact. Well, by world volcano standards, your eruption was on the lower end of medium in size. So, moving on? I'm really going to do it. At any moment, I will erupt. Any moment. Reckoners, this is the 100th day in a row that you claimed you were about to erupt. Can you make up your mind and pick a date already? I am also tired of waiting. But I'm nervous. Relatable. Moving on. Wait, what's wrong with you? I'm loud and proud. Well, aren't you special? But what I am talking about is, why is there a piss-colored filter over you? I'm in Mexico, and according to movies, Mexico always looks like this. Hot, hot, hot. Ah, that's much better. It's not as hot anymore. Cooling down now. Ah yes, your 3-month-long eruption is over. But hey, you gained another 21 acres of new land, expanding your island born in 2022 by 47%. Hey, does anyone remember me? I'm erupting and I am part of Australia. I think that the footy team that will win the grand final this year will be... No one lives on or even remotely near you, and most of your landmass is covered by glaciers, Herd Island. Another one, another explosion. I am working quite hard. A beautiful sight. Yes, sir, if you don't know, has been working hard for a long time, being continuously erupting without pause for at least the last 750 years. Now, let's check back in on Hawaii. Just needed to release a little bit of lava, but expect a true show when I release towering lava fountains. These could even reach sustained heights of above 1,000 feet. Yes, you might produce your 44th episode of towering and sustained lava fountains sometime between today and April 14th. Cold. Why is it so cold? Is it Christmas? Because you are 13,803 feet tall, and it seems that your and Mauna Loa's upper flanks might receive up to 3 inches of snow between Wednesday morning and Friday evening, specifically at above 12,500 feet elevation. I like snow. Stop shaking the bed. It's 2 a.m. Can't you see I'm trying to sleep? I said stop it. Yes. After multiple weeks of practically no felt earthquakes, Campi Flegrei was the site of a magnitude 3.3 and then 1.6 earthquake. These earthquakes are not concerning in my opinion. I hope that you found this silly skit interesting.